Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl with Target Trading Academy with today's micro market recap. Today is Monday, April 11th, just after the New York close here, almost 4:10 p.m. Eastern. Let's get into it with micro oil. We opened gap down in oil from Friday's range, and immediately we had some buying action take place. Came back down, had an entry potential off of this area here. Yeah, it's only a line. But still, it's according to our methodologies. Monster winner, and then another potential entry up here, another monster winner. So they did eventually get back into that range, not by much on Friday. I never got to the close, so we finished net down for the day in oil around 94.32. And then gold here opened way gap up. Did not have that initial selling. We had initial buying. They found a top, and they never came back to it again, and they just screamed down, and they eventually did get back towards Friday's range. They got that close, I guess that's what they're looking for, because shortly after that, they had a rally, and they finished slightly net positive from Friday. You can see the response at these levels that are given out the night before to our students for their next day's trading endeavors. Now our equities, starting here in the micro ES, they both opened gap down, and there was some movement, I would say, towards that range from Friday, but looks like they just did not want to take it any higher than this level here. They tried a couple times. Ultimately, the sellers just got the better of them. It was a grind, very large grind this morning. You can just see the response around these HVAs, high volume areas that are given to our students, and they're just ping-ponging off of them, and then finally breaking lower, and then again just consolidating for a little while before breaking lower even more at the close here. So we did finish that down in the ES. Similar story in the Nasdaq, where they just did not want to make any more movements higher. I can go back. So we did have some initial buying, quickly stuffed down to this HVA level. Tested it again, tested that low again at the opening, and then they made the high, and then that's the high that they never went back to again. Those highs just got lower and lower, and sellers just stepped in and just started sweeping up the market for that. And then you can see the consolidation as well in the Nasdaq. Not as much, I would say, in terms of the confinement that we saw in the ES, but still a ton of sideways movement. Again, you can see the performance of the HVAs that are taken by students from those entries there according to the methodologies, and you can see several more entry possibilities as well. Again, finally breaking through, making newer lows just before the close here of New York, and ultimately with the close of New York finishing at a net lower than Friday's close. Yes, so net lower in the Nasdaq, ES, and oil, with a slight net positive from Friday in gold. If you're interested in finding out more information about these levels, the methodology around them for trading, how you can get them onto your charts the night before your next trading endeavor, or how to trade futures in general, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can go to our website, that is targettradingacademy.com, or find us on Facebook and get in touch with a representative there, and they'll quickly show you the ropes of what we do in the rooms each day, and you'll see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to seeing you.